Hello, welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, we're just continuing on in the same book. Looks like today we're doing number 77. Let's just start here. Looks like we're missing a 1, a 4, and a 7. We've got a 1 and 4 there. So this is our 7. We've got a 1, nope, a 4 here. So 1 and 4. Finish out this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our 9. For this box, looks like we're missing a 2, a 3, and a 7. We've got a 2 there. So 3, 7. We've got a 7 here and a 2 here. So this is our 3. That makes this our 7 and our 2. Finish out this row, looks like we're missing a 1. Let's do this box. Looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 and an 8 here, so this is our 3. A 2 here, so 8 and 2. If we work on this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. Let's do this column here. Looks like we're missing a 1, a 2, and an 8. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 has to be here. There's a 2 here, so 8 and 2. For this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 in this box, so 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 9 here, so 7, and because of that 9, this is our 6, and this is our 9. So if we work on this box, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4 and 3. For this box, looks like we're missing a 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 8. An 8 here, so 2, 6, and an 8 here, so 2, 6. So that means that our 8 has to be here. For this row, looks like we're missing a 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 covering this box, so our 4 has to be here. We've got an 8 here, so 3 and 8. Finish off this box, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 9, and I don't see any help, so 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing a 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 9, and an 8 here, so 1, 9. So that means our 8 has to be here. For this row, we're missing a 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this must be our 1. That makes this our 9, so our 5 would have to be here. That 9 means this is our 1, and this is our 9. So for this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and a 3 in this row, so this is our 6. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. That 6 means this is our 2 and our 6. Finish out this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so this is our 9. For this row, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6 and 1. To finish out this box, we're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. All right, so that was today's puzzle. Please come back and join us again tomorrow when we will do the next puzzle. Thank you again for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow.